Harris Ranch. A name. A destination. A brand known throughout the West for quality beef. Beef that's always tender, always delicious. For nearly 40 years, consumers have looked to the Harris Ranch brand of beef because our vertically integrated production system fulfills a promise of consistently flavorful beef, a promise made possible by our attention to detail and decades of experience producing the West's most popular beef. Beef that generations of travelers have enjoyed at our renowned California restaurant. Today, that same exceptional quality beef is available nationwide for food service operators seeking a premium center-of-the-plate offering. We offer two unique all-natural beef programs for food service: Harris Ranch All-Natural Certified Premium Beef and Harris Ranch USDA Certified Black Angus Natural Beef. Both programs are corn-finished, minimally processed, and contain no preservatives or artificial ingredients. Plus, our beef is hand-selected to ensure you benefit from a menu item you can feature with pride.
I think the biggest thing for the Commander's Palace patron is that they're going to have perfect food, as much as you possibly can. So whether it's seafood or great items like Harris Ranch beef, it has to be the best, hands down. And so all the time we do basically taste tests, and we grab all the different beef we have and say, okay, we're going to blind taste it with all of our staff, and consistently Harris Ranch comes in as the best product out there. And I really feel like once you have Harris Ranch on your menu as well, you get a lot of name recognition with that. And we're finding now that the filet mignon we have on the menu is consistently ranked as one of the best sellers.
Harris Ranch began in the 1930s as a family-owned farming operation in California's vast and fertile San Joaquin Valley. From the beginning, Jack Harris envisioned building a diversified agribusiness, a dream that hard work brought to reality. In the 60s, he began a cattle feeding operation near Coalinga. He later added beef processing, giving the company complete control over all aspects of production. John Harris continued expanding the company founded by his father. He successfully added a hospitality division and expanded the thoroughbred horse division in the 70s. In 1982, the company launched one of the first branded beef programs in the United States. Though we have diversified beyond our agricultural roots, Harris Ranch remains true to our genuine Western heritage. But what makes Harris Ranch a preferred brand of beef? All of the cattle used to produce our two food service brands are sourced, fed, and humanely processed by Harris Ranch. Few, if any, beef companies other than Harris Ranch can truly claim control over all aspects of production. Today, Harris Ranch has the distinction of being one of the largest family-owned and functionally integrated beef producers in the West. Our story starts at the ranch, where we source cattle from progressive ranching families throughout the West who utilize superior genetics in their herds. With dozens of progressive ranching families now participating in our Partnership for Quality program, Harris Ranch has developed a unique process for controlling the quality of our beef, from the ranch all the way to your restaurant. We also acquire cattle from other producers with whom we've established long-standing relationships. Our network of cattle-producing families is committed to sustainable ranching practices, as well as humane livestock handling.
Our relationship with Harris Ranch began 10 years ago. Since that time, we have been lucky enough to be part of the Harris Ranch Partnership, and some of the cattle that we've recently put into our cow herd are designed to raise a product of high quality, naturally raised in a nice environment, and humanely treated.
Harris Ranch believes that raising cattle and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. For us, as well as our ranching partners, the land is not just where we raise our cattle. It's also where we raise our families. Sustainability means ensuring the land will provide for the next generation by not only focusing on the well-being of our livestock, but also by maintaining the environment. The U.S. beef industry has honored Dave Wood, chairman of the beef division at Harris Ranch, with their top National Environmental Stewardship Award, which recognizes cattle producers who use innovative practices to enhance and protect natural resources for future generations. Knowing where our cattle come from helps us consistently deliver superior quality beef. And consistency is as important to our business as it is to yours.
You know, serving the Harris Ranch product, I know I can be consistent year after year. I know that every filet, every porterhouse, every New York is going to be almost identical in the specs that we asked for. And this year was a true test. You know, we average anywhere from 500 to 700 covers at lunch. We do anywhere from 15 to 2,000 covers for dinner. And then we have our retail store. And I can honestly tell you, I might have maybe 1 or 2 complaints about our steaks, and that's usually an internal problem. We overcooked it or undercooked it, but the quality has been fantastic this year.
Our beef cattle spend approximately 80% of their lives grazing on grass. We finish them for a brief period, typically 120 days, on a nutritionally balanced diet of corn and other feed grains, plus alfalfa hay, vitamins, and minerals. At Harris Feeding Company, absolutely no animal proteins have ever been fed and never will be. Additionally, cattle are never overcrowded, so we can ensure each animal has access to feed and clean water. Harris Ranch tests feed ingredients to make sure no unwanted pesticide residues are present. This unique practice helps underscore our commitment to producing the finest natural beef possible. Feeding grains like corn helps produce beef that's more tender, juicy, and flavorful. Many of our customers are surprised to learn that beef produced in feedlots actually has a smaller carbon footprint than meat raised exclusively on grasses. The Midwestern corn used in our cattle feed arrives by train every other week at our company-owned milling operation. Our consulting nutritionist formulates all feed blends, which are designed to optimize cattle performance and produce superior quality beef. Our feeding operation has the capacity to feed up to 120,000 head of cattle at one time and covers nearly 800 acres. Harris Feeding Company is known throughout the United States for our humane animal handling practices. Our livestock handling facilities were designed with input from Dr. Temple Grandin, a world-renowned expert in animal welfare. Why the interest in humane livestock handling? Because not only are our cattle valuable to us, but beef from humanely treated cattle is superior in terms of quality and tenderness. All cattle benefit from our temperate climate and are fed in well-maintained outdoor pens equipped with shade, plus an automated sprinkler system to reduce dust and cool cattle during summer months, all in an effort to provide cattle comfort and enhance performance. We also routinely scrape pens and compost waste material for use in our farming operation. Cattle used in the production of our 2 food service brands are fed in one company-owned facility and then harvested in a single company-owned processing plant. This allows greater control of quality, consistency, and safety. Once cattle reach an optimum weight and quality, they're transported about an hour to our beef processing facility, Harris Ranch Beef Company. Because of its close proximity, transit time for cattle is much lower than industry norms, where a single beef processing facility may source cattle from several different feedlots in a given day, with cattle in transit up to 6 hours. As part of our ongoing commitment to food safety, trucks transporting cattle are thoroughly washed between each trip to help reduce any possibility of cross-contamination. Here, too, we've set the bar for quality standards as no other beef company can. By owning our own processing facility, we're better able to control the quality, consistency, and safety of all Harris Ranch beef. Strict quality assurance practices call for washing all cattle prior to entry into the plant. Once humane processing begins, our highly trained quality assurance staff works in tandem with on-site USDA inspectors and strictly adheres to HACCP guidelines and good manufacturing processes. During harvesting, microbiological intervention strategies include the use of steam vacuums, thermal pasteurization, and organic acid carcass washes to help eliminate contaminants. Additionally, our spray chill system and refrigerated air quickly reduce carcass temperatures. Together, these practices and procedures have allowed Harris Ranch to establish unsurpassed microbiological safety standards. The Harris Ranch family believes quality begins with safety, and we commit to providing unparalleled levels of both. We even take the extra step to test finished beef to make sure no antibiotic residues are present. Both our Harris Ranch USDA certified Black Angus natural beef and our Harris Ranch All Natural certified premium beef are available in both a large and small box program, providing added flexibility for distributors and end users. Because the Black Angus breed is recognized for higher degrees of fine textured marbling, it's become our premier food service program. Available in 5, 4, 3, and 2 diamond versions, our Harris Ranch Natural Black Angus beef is USDA certified and provides customers with the marbling score best suited to their individual needs. For those seeking a non-Angus natural beef program, our Harris Ranch All Natural certified premium beef provides both quality and value from native cattle. Hand trimmed to 1/4 inch in most cases, our All Natural certified premium beef is available in USDA Prime, Choice, and Select grades. No matter which program you choose, you can be assured we raise our beef to the same exacting standards that help make our name synonymous with premium quality.
We have a lot of customers that simply ask for the Harris Ranch beef. They know it, they've had it before, and it's real simple sell. It's definitely world-class beef.
Available products include exquisitely trimmed steaks, roasts, and an array of value-added fresh and IQF ground beef patties. As an added measure of safety in our ground beef operation, we test all raw materials before grinding under our internal test and hold program. In fall 2010, we also began final grind testing to further ensure product wholesomeness. Flexibility is another key to our success. Harris Ranch gladly processes orders to your unique specifications. So if a New Orleans chef needs a custom cut, or a food service customer in Hawaii requests special packaging, we listen and develop the products they want. The superior workmanship of our skilled production associates provides better yields, which means an improved bottom line for end users. Our food service customer support is yet another reason for our success. When you partner with the Harris Ranch family, you not only acquire a superior quality product, you also receive branded marketing support, customized menus, table tents, and signage. Our server education and partnership programs help ensure our message and unique family story are understood and appreciated. As a boutique packer, processing around 800 head of cattle per day, we provide the highest levels of quality and customer service, which our customers have come to expect. Still locally and family owned and operated, we take utmost pride in raising beef that's as pure and wholesome as nature intended. The Harris Ranch family, our ranching partners, and our entire team of associates invite you to be part of a genuine Western tradition by offering our exceptional beef to your guests. Harris Ranch Natural Beef, hand-selected for flavor and quality.